The military cleanup is just a paranoid rumor, isn't it? Stop asking that question. Who is responsible for this mess? Why are you asking me?
I have a bad feeling about this.
You be quiet.
I just want to get out of this alive. Oh dear! Oh!
Now, I wonder if those boys could have made a bigger mess. You have any idea what's going on? Hey! Hey, over here! Eat lead, you outer space octopus! No! Ah! Ah!
Oh my God, we're doomed!
Ah! 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 Hey! No! This is all happening because of you scientists.
Freeman, you fool! You can't be serious. It can't get any worse than this.
Adrenaline administered.
Ah! Whoa! Oh my. Ah! Why, look. Another headcrab. Why, just look at those peculiar markings. I've got to get out of here.